I believe that self love is the energy that attracts every beautiful things in your life. And because self love is an energy, it takes time. This is something that you need to understand that self love is one kind of energy. You really have to come into that energy where you start loving yourself. Okay, so it takes time. It depends on your own energy, where you are in your self love journey. In this episode, we are going to find out that are you really into that energy of self love. This video will help you to identify where you are in your self love journey. There is so much depth when we talk about self love. So, in this episode, we are really going to dive deep into that ocean of self love and really trying to understand how does it feel like? How does it feel like when we are practicing self love? What is self love? How does it feel like? Right? We all talk, like, you know, everyone talks about love yourself, but how does it feel like when you're actually in that energy of self love? So, this video will help you to identify where you are in your self love journey. This video will help you to understand, what is self love. So, without any further delays, let's get into the video. When you are in the energy of self love, you think about yourself, you are focused on yourself, you think about your habits, you think about, okay, this is something right for me, this is not right for me, and I'm not going to entertain this. When we are operating from the frequency, from the energy of self love, we can easily differentiate what is wrong and what is right for us. Whether it's about love, relationship, our habits, our behavior, our choices, our decisions, everything. Okay, everything. So when you're actually in that energy of self love, you will think about your well being. Okay, this is this is a good habit that I would like to adopt. This is not a healthy habit. So I'm just going to, just avoid. I'm just going to focus on being in that balanced energy. So when you are operating from the frequency of self love, you really, really think about your well being. This is the first sign that you start thinking about your well being, what is right for you, what is wrong for you, your habits, the way you behave, your actions, your mindset, everything. You will be focused on your own self. You will be focused on your work, on your life, and and most importantly, you will start taking actions. You know, when we are in that energy of self love, we have this feeling that I want to do this for myself. You are not complaining. You are not waiting for anyone. Okay, I want to do this and I am going to do this for myself. So you really start taking actions for your dreams, for your desires. You are not waiting for anyone, you are not waiting for anything. So when you are in that self love energy, you will start taking actions, okay, for your dreams, for your desires. Yeah. The most beautiful thing about self love is that you discover who you really are. You discover your strength, your skill, your talents, your capabilities, and you will just realize that, okay, how amazing I am. Like not self obsession, but really understanding and realizing like who I am, and really appreciating myself that, okay, I am this person, and I know this, and I believe that, and i'm not I'm not seeking any validation from anyone, from my relationships. No, I know who I am. It's beautiful feeling. I and you just feel, yeah. So when you are in that self love energy, you discover who you really are, your inner self, and you will notice some little things about yourself that you have overlooked. Like, okay, you are just in your self love energy, really, like being happy, and joyful, and just in your own that energy. And you will notice those little things about yourself, and you will find it that this is cute, I like this. So when you are actually in that self love energy, you will notice that you will discover a lot of things about yourself, like really those little things about yourself, and you will find it like very cute and amazing, and you will start appreciating more, like and this is the beautiful feeling, okay? Because you are not looking for any validation, and you know who you really are, and you are discovering yourself. Yeah, like you are trying to understand who I am, like who I am at my core, and yeah. So self love is such a beautiful place, and it takes time. Okay, it takes time. It's energy, so it takes time. So when you are in that self love energy, you will not you will not looking for any you will not looking for any validation from anyone. You will discover yourself, your strength, your capabilities, even your weaknesses, okay? And you will have this urge, this desire that, okay, you know what, I'm going to work on this. If you realize that there is something that you need to change, there is something that you need to work on yourself, you will you will have you, you will take it positively, okay? Okay, okay, it's okay, it's okay. I have something to work on. I have something to I have something to work on, and it's okay, I'm going to do it, okay? It's like you have this healthy positive mindset where you really want to work on yourself, where you really want to improve yourself without any insecurity, without any negative thinking. Okay, I really want to do this. I want to work on this. I want to work on my weaknesses. I want to improve this. You will have this positive, healthy mindset when you're actually when you're actually in love with yourself. So, yeah, you will have that positive mindset where you want to grow as a person, where you want to improve, where you want to work on your insecurities, where you want to work on your on your mindset, where you want to work on your weaknesses without complaining. Okay, you are just doing for yourself, and you are doing all these things with a very positive mindset. This is the sign of self love. Yeah, so that's all I have for this episode. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and